Good morning, guys. We are currently 14,000 feet up in our freezing tea house in Dingboche, and we are gearing up for one of the hardest climbs we have ever done, which is an ascent of Nangkartshang. Now, the climb today is not technical, but it tops out at 16,700 feet, which is, if you think about it, more than 2,000 feet higher than any peak in the continental US. We've only been higher than this one time in our lives, and it did not go well. So we gotta get our act together, get ourselves stoked. It's gonna be a crazy day.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling pretty nervous.
Yeah.
I honestly had a hard time sleeping at above 14,000 feet. My heart's going pretty fast, I'm a little out of breath. Altitude's always been my kryptonite. I've only been as high as what we're doing today one time in my life. That was on Kilimanjaro, and I was retching into the rocks at about 15.7. And this is 1,000 feet higher than that. So yeah, I'm nervous. What a sunrise. Wow.
Yes. Come on, son. Give us life. Oh, so good. Oh my gosh. It has not been an easy start to the climb. The wind picked up overnight and it has gotten so cold. Just so cold. I actually heard several people in the tea house saying that they were thinking they might just completely bail on going and doing anything on the mountain today. To be fair, the climb that we're doing is completely optional. It is not technically part of the Everest Base Camp trek. Today, most people choose to just kind of hang out at 14,000 feet. Their guide may take them on a little stroll, maybe go up a couple hundred feet. However, when our guide Prashant mentioned that you could climb to the top of this peak and get some of the most epic views of Ama Dablam that you would ever want to see. I mean, how could we turn that down? You cannot tell us about a challenging peak that we can climb in a single day and think that we're not going to do it. So, it's going to be a struggle, but it's going to be awesome.
Getting steep, boo-boo.
Steep is an understatement.
Resam piriri, resam piriri. Narama jauki lutuputu banjang resam piriri. Ek nale bandu, dui nale bandu, mirgalai takeko. Mirgalai haina maile, mayalai takeko. Resam piriri, resam piriri. Thank you.
Wow! We're at 15,000 feet and I haven't seen you puke yet. What's going on?
I don't want to jinx this, guys, but I feel amazing right now.
Yeah?
I have not needed an Advil, and I just think all that prep work we did in Mammoth is really paying off. I don't want to jinx it because we still have almost 2,000 feet to go. But right now I'm feeling amazing.
No puking yet.
I really feel we're at one with the mountain goats right now, because we're the only ones up here other than the goat.
Adam said that the mountain goat decided what the snack spot is today.
The mountain goat's no snack spots.
It's a pretty darn good one.
We're at about 16,000 feet. We just stopped for a water break. And to be blunt with you, that water does not want to stay down. And our guide said, if anybody throws up, we have to turn around. So I'm slowing down a little bit because there's no freaking way I'm gonna miss out on this summit. I think it's gonna be the most epic 360 in my entire life. You can see part of it right now. I mean, good Lord. I've never seen anything like this on a hike. So no way am I gonna let my dopey stomach derail this summit. It's just about taking it slow and controlled. Guys, this is so epic. I think we're only about 400 feet from the summit. I'm actually feeling really good. I just stopped drinking water because I so I don't, you know, throw up. But otherwise, I'm feeling great. The wild card is Elise is really struggling, but honestly, I think at this point I could just leave my poles and bag and carry her to the summit. You know, the live hard, love hard motto is leave no Elise behind. So we'll get her up there.
I cannot believe that Adam is doing as well as he is. I think this is the first time he's ever done better than me at this high of altitude, which is crazy. I'm just, ugh. I freaking caught a cold somehow. I always have this curse of any time I've done Kilimanjaro, Mont Blanc, now Everest Base Camp. I get a cold every single time. And also once I get over like 15,000 feet, my heart often starts wigging out. So it's always a little scary, but I'm trying not to think about it. Just trying to put one foot in front of the other, focus on the positives and that Adam's doing so well. That's a really good sign. Look at Adam up there, just leaving me in the dust. Leaving our guide in the dust.
Elise,
Yeah.
how are you doing?
Well, I don't feel great, but I refuse to let you or anyone carry me to the summit. I am not a quitter. I will prevail, and we're gonna get that summit, baby.
And the greatest 360s of our lives, I predict.
100%.
We'd walk to pass along love's day. Oh, and wander in the ancient way. But life is short. We want all we want it all. We'll rise up high.
Come on, Elise.
Okay.
This is it, come on.
Okay. Oh.
You are on it.
Oh my God.
Guys, we are on the summit of Nangkartshang Peak.
Heck yeah.
You're not gonna believe this 360 if I tell you, so we're just gonna show you.
Yes.
Yes!
We cannot make our sun stand still. Oh, but we can make it run. Carpe diem.
Well guys, it's not very often that the summit actually is the snack spot, but that's what we got here. The ultimate view of Ama Dablam. That's what I want to climb one day, and quite a nice day.
Yeah. Nangkartshang Peak, how is that for a Himalayan summit view?
Oh my gosh, you guys, the second highest peak we've ever climbed in our lives.
God.
Absolutely epic views. I'm feeling pretty emotional right now.
I can't believe that we have to do 2,000 more feet above this for the rest of our Everest Base Camp trek. What?
That is coming up, guys.
Oh my God.
For now, we are just gonna celebrate this amazing peak, these amazing views, and we are gonna close with our wonderful guide, Prashant, explaining what you're looking at.
Namaste, this is me. Right now, I am staying Nangkartshang Hill, but we call also Nangkartshang Peak, which is the 5,100 above the sea level. And so from here, we can see best view of the Ama Dablam. You can see behind me, and which is 6,800 above the sea level. Namaste.